Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your account on Free Fire. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Free Fire account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Free Fire application. The home page of Free Fire application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Free Fire's account. Click on Delete Account option at the bottom left side of the page and from the pop-up click on Confirm. On the next page, scroll all the way down and under Server Reasons section, choose a server, enter your description, fill in other credentials and tap on Submit. This is how you can delete your Free Fire's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.